Hello guys, welcome back with a new video. In this video I will help you how to monetize Facebook page and earn money. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Facebook app, click on three lines, see more, scroll down, click on pages, and here you can see I have only one page. So if you have page then click on it. If you not have then click to create and create a new page. So I have already created my page, so I am clicking on it and click on switch. So I have switched it on this page. So click on three lines, click on professional dashboard, so scroll down, click on monetization. So here you can see there are 5 tools for monetization, and last one is subscription. I am clicking on it. So here you can see there are a criteria for monetize subscription tool. So first one is eligible country. So if you live in eligible country then you will be monetize it. And second one is 10k followers, so you must need 10k followers to monetize it. And third one is 250 weekly returns viewers, and after there's a minimum of 50k post engagement, and after there's a minimum of 180k minute view. So if you met all of these criteria then you will be able to subscription program for Facebook. So go back. So now Instream ads. So here you can see Instream ads criteria is you must be live in eligible country. After this 5k followers needed. So if you want to monetize Instream ads for your page then you need to complete 5k followers and 60k minute watch time, and after this 5 active videos. So if you complete all of these criteria then you will be able to Instream ads. So go back. After this live ads. So in this you must be live in eligible country, and after this 10k followers needed. So in this tool you need to 10k followers and 600k watch time on demand or live. So after this 60k watch time only live videos. So and 3 active videos you need. So if you want to monetize live ads on your page then you need to meet all of these criteria. So after this go back, and bonuses and stars, these two programs are only invited programs. So if Facebook invite you then you will be able to monetize it, otherwise it has not criteria. Hope you will understand. So if you like this video please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.